Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy B Dot back with another quick video. Today I'm coming to you guys real fast, man. I'm trying to make this video real quick. I haven't done a razor cheek line in a while. The last time I did one, my beard was pretty light. Now we on like month 6.5 already, going into the 7th month. So I'm gonna show you guys how I go about achieving that very crisp cheek line. The best time to really do it, you can do it when you got the 2-month stage, 3-month stage, even 5 o'clock shadow. But as it starts to get a little bit darker, you can really get some definition. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve that today. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go back with my Cut Buddy pencil. As you guys can see, it's starting to get a little bit small. Cut Buddy, if you're looking, send me out one of these. You can use any eyeliner pencil, any pencil that you want to do this. You can use a black, white, whatever color. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a line on there. And when you're making that line, when you're doing a razor line, to achieve that very crisp look, you're going to probably have to go into the beard just a little bit without really lowering it too much or anything like that, because you're just going to tap at it. And I'll show you how I do that. One of the biggest things about this beard journey, to me, is keeping a high cheek line. So definitely want to keep that in mind. Now today I'm going with the Detroit Grooming barbershop scales, Straightrazor, and I have a feather blade in here. Here's the logo right here, so you guys can go check that out. Links will be in the description, so you guys can go pick up one if you want one. You can put any kind of feather blade, any blade that you want that breaks right down the middle. Now this is the shave talk that I'll be using by Penard. This is a really good shave talk, man. It goes on almost like a pink color, but it still goes on your face kind of white. And it really just dries up the area and gives you a really crisp, sharp line when you do it. So I'm going to put a little bit in my brush. Knock some of it down in there. Then just brush along the top. Really without getting rid of that Cut Buddy line that you put on your face at first. You're still going to see that no matter what. It's gonna make your beard look pretty great, but you can rinse all that out after you're done. Now, as you guys can see, I got the surface nice and dry, white talc powder on there. It's all in my beard as well, making it look like I got some gray hairs in my beard, which I actually do, but not this many. So over here as well, I got my Casper the Friendly Ghost on right now. You always want to pull the skin. To all the new guys out here that's starting this, definitely pull the skin away from where you're lining up at. And you're just going to tap at the line. You can always go get your Andy Slimline Pros or your Andy's Master, or your Andy's liners, T-liners. And you can also knock the hairs off like that and then come back with this. But I'm going to do the whole thing with the Straightrazor today because I've already used my Slimline Pros about a couple days ago for my daughter's graduation. I went ahead and threw a little line on there with the Slimlines. But today I'm going to actually go with the Straightrazor. And when you pull that skin, man, that's like the difference maker. See, I put my hat on. I'm looking like George Jefferson over here today, so I ain't got a haircut. You can also puff your cheeks out a little bit when you get to this section, so you can stretch it out even more. .45-degree angle. Okay, now that I did that, what I do now is I run some water on a towel and I go ahead and wash off the chalk and the powder, and then I come back at it one more time with the straight razor just to really clean it up, and you guys will actually see a big difference. Just take me a little rag, little towel, warm towel, get all that chalk and that powder off there, revealing the actual line that I did. As you guys see, I didn't really dig in to my beard at all. It could still use a little sharpness right here, but instead of that little imperfection that you see, I can clean it up a little bit when I go over it without anything on my face, just dry with the straight razor. And this side looks a lot better in my opinion. After you use the chalk pencil and the talk, this is just the finishing touches, just to go over it, dry everything off your face, just tapping at the line, give it that little extra crispiness without digging into it too much. Definitely be gentle, because this is the time where you will cut yourself because you don't have anything on your face to help it glide. You're just using the weight of the razor, and just be gentle with it. Tap. Tap. Boom. See that? Swoop the mustache over a little bit. That's usually how I wear it. All right, so there you have it, man. Just something real quick, man, to show you guys how to get that cheek line nice and sharp without going to the barber shop spending 20, 25 bucks, man. You can do it at the crib. You got your straight razor. You can go find you some Pinard talk. You know what I'm saying? Get you a cut buddy pencil or eyeliner pencil of your choice, whatever you got in the drawer. You know what I'm saying? Give yourself a nice little razor line that's not going to grow back extremely fast because you razored it. So it's going to last for a week or so at least, you know what I'm saying, depending on how sharp you want it to be at all times. But you should be good to go, man. And like I say, with this side right here, I could have dug into it a little bit more, but I didn't. Just because, like I say, it's a marathon, not a race, you know what I'm saying? So I'm on this beard journey for a reason. So I'll just continue to let that keep on getting darker and darker right there without digging into it. And there you have it, man. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today, man. As always, thanks for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And I'll holler back. Peace.